In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Smartsheet sheet efficiently. Whether you're managing projects, organizing tasks, or keeping track of data, knowing how to duplicate a Smartsheet sheet can save you loads of time and effort, particularly if you're working with templates or need a backup of your existing data for a separate project. First, let's navigate to the sheet you want to copy. Open your Smartsheet account and locate the specific sheet that you want to duplicate. It might be under a specific folder or project, so take a moment to find it. Once you have the sheet open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, head over to the File menu. You'll find this in the top left corner of the Smartsheet interface. It's a familiar spot for most users, as this is where many essential commands are located. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you're going to select the option labeled Save as New. As soon as you click on this, a dialog box will pop up allowing you to create a new version of your existing sheet. This is incredibly useful because it duplicates the entire structure and content without affecting your original version. Now it's time to name your new sheet. In the field that says Name Your Sheet, enter a new, distinct name for your copied sheet. This step is crucial for keeping things organized, particularly if you plan on creating multiple copies. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify the purpose or contents of the sheet at a glance. The following step involves choosing the destination for your new sheet. You'll see an option labeled Save In, which allows you to select exactly where your new sheet will live within your Smartsheet workspace. Take advantage of this drop-down menu to pick a folder or workspace that makes sense for your organizational structure. Keeping your files organized helps with smoother navigation and easy access for future use. Before you finalize the copying process, consider whether you need to adjust any settings. This is optional, but if you'd like to change sharing permissions or place the sheet in a different folder, now is the time to do it. Adjusting these settings can be particularly handy if you are sharing your work with a team or if you need specific access levels for collaborators. Once everything is set to your liking, go ahead and click OK to create the copy. At this point, Smartsheet will generate a new sheet complete with all the elements of your original, but of course under a new name and location as you've specified. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward process to make a copy of a Smartsheet sheet. This skill comes in handy in many scenarios, allowing you to ensure consistent record-keeping and swift duplication of your essential project data. Happy organizing!